Taking a look at our plans, we can identify both the left and right side. The total depth of our project is 13 inches. We do have a 1-inch overhang, which then brings the base of the project to a total depth of 12 inches. Now we also have a 3/4 inch thick face frame, which will bring the left and right side down to 11 1/4 inches. The height of our left and right side is 47 1/4 inches, and this is using 3/4 inch oak veneer plywood. We do need 2 of these. If we take a look at our cutting diagram for plywood, we should be able to get all 3/4 inch plywood components out of a half a sheet of plywood. So this project will begin with 3/4 inch thick oak veneer plywood and a half a sheet, so it is measuring 48 inches by 48 inches. Taking a look at the rendering of our finished product, we can see that the grain is running vertically. It is also running the same direction as our length measurement. If we take a look at our plywood sheet, that 47 1/4 inch measurement needs to go with the grain. On our plans, the depth measurement is 11 1/4. So on our plywood, we will want to rip this at 11 1/4 inches along the length of the grain. And because we have 2 sides, we will need to make 2 of these cuts. This also correlates to our cutting diagram for plywood.